One and all, respected Principal, Mr. A.J. John, sir, Vice Principal, Mr. Vijay Shukla, the in charge of co-curricular activities, Mr. Mahendra Singh Dhaka, sir, judges of today's event, Ms. Sarita Raj, madam, Mrs. Netrika Mandar, madam, and Mrs. Bhavya Shri, ma'am. Our technical in charge, Mrs. Ranjana Yadav, ma'am, timekeeper, Shri U.N. Rath, sir, my dear children and parents. I, Sukhdeep Pant, on behalf of Atomic Energy Central School 2 Rawatbata, extend a warm welcome to all of you in this cheerful, colorful, and beautiful event, online CCA dance competition. The world is full of diamonds and gems, and we are having some of them here with us. So, with this note, I would like to call upon our respected principal, sir, to please come over and encourage the participants for today's event.
Yes, very cooperative parents, enthusiastic vice principal, CCA in charge, and knowledgeable judges, and very energetic participants of this today's program, and the active students, the spectators, and my dear other colleagues. Good morning and warm welcome to this event. A lot of effort put for conducting this type of activities, especially on online. Sometimes we are not getting the technical support due to the system. System is the machine. It won't cooperate sometimes. Sometimes it will cooperate with us for the great success. So anyhow, thanks to the Almighty God, the short period it has been technically rectified the errors, and we are ready to face the event. My hearty congratulations to the participants and wishes. So, dance, it is a good exercise. It gives soothing to the body, mind, and it will help for the overall development personality of each and everyone. Definitely, each and everyone, including me, we dance alone without feeling shy or something. And the participants, those who are having the courage and knowledge, they are going to do it. But dear children, you people, those who are witnessing, do something. It is a good exercise. As well as it gives the what I already told. It gives the what soothing effect to the body, mind, etc., etc. That's what is good. Learn it and do something aerobic exercise, aerobic dance, enjoy with the music. Yesterday, on the YouTube, I listen one music. After I like the music and the voice of the singer, and the whole night I was hearing the song. Automatically, what happened? My mind it was not diverted to doing other activities, wasting the time in the WhatsApp, chatting with others, etc., etc. In the morning, also I hear the song. It give more energy and everything. Just like with the song, you can do some dance exercise. It will be good for you. Okay, keep in the mind, and thank you the CCA committee and the people those who have supported the system for doing this event very successfully. And this program may be a tough job to the judges. Congratulations to the judges and best wishes to you do successfully this program. Once again, thank you, one and all person here. Thank you, Srimati Sugdeepan, the anchor. She is going to perform the anchoring. So, congratulations to you also, madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, before beginning the program, I would just like to remind you all the instructions regarding the program. First thing is, children, keep your cameras on throughout the program. Okay? When the participant's name is announced, first of all, you have to introduce yourself, tell about the song on which you are going to perform, and then you have to play the song and dance. Maximum time limit, including your introduction, is 3 minutes. The song on which you are participating or you are performing should be decent. Participants' order of performing will be as per the sequence number given in the list provided in dance competition WhatsApp group. Participants have to perform on being called. Once your name is announced, You have to introduce yourself and then you have to begin your performance. Unmute yourself only when we announce your name. Okay? And throughout the program, keep your camera in on mode and you have to present in the program throughout the program. Okay? Please note that it will be a live video call and it will be recorded and published on official YouTube channel of the school. The criteria for the judgment is dancing skills, theme of the song, the costume in accordance with the theme. Dance, as with all the arts, has its own language. The language of dance is a unique amalgamation of symbols, expressions, emotions manifested through body gestures. We dance for laughter, we dance for tears, we dance for fears, we dance for hopes, we dance for screams. We are the dancers and we create dreams. Dance is the joy of movement and the heart of life. So now with these lines, I would like to call upon our first participant, participant number 1, Vanshika Singh, class 6th B. Vanshika, children, first thing is turn on your cameras, everyone. Throughout the program, turn on your camera and be present. First participant, participant number 1, Vanshika Singh, class 6th B. Okay, you can start now.
My name is Vanshika Singh. I am in class 6th. Today I perform a dance video on Neta Jaijo.
Vanshika, 1 minute, Vanshika, wait for some time, wait. Your music is not audible. सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है म्यूजिक सॉन्ग का. वॉल्यूम थोड़ा बड़ा करो. हाँ, ओके ना, ओके नाउ यू कैन स्टार्ट. यही वॉल्यूम में रखो. कीप इट इन द सेम वॉल्यूम. ओके, स्टार्ट नाउ. ऑल द बेस्ट.
मेरो 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 माल मारो निता जयजू कैमरा बंद कर दिया
Okay, thank you so much, Vanshika. It was beautiful. First of all, I again request all the children to please turn on your cameras. Camera on rakho sab log. Please turn on your camera. Second participant is Satyajit Meena, class 6th B. Second participant Satyajit Meena, class 6th B. Satyajit Meena. I think Satyajit is not there. We'll come to the next participant. Participant number 3, K. Akshaya, class 6th A. K. Akshaya.
My name is Akshay. I am studying in the 6th class. Today I want to present a solo dance. My solo dance title is Kalbelia song.
Beautiful performance. Very energetic. Very nice. Well done, Akshaya.
Thank you.
Very nice. Okay, very good. Children, please turn on your cameras. Other children, very well done, Akshaya. Our next participant, participant number 4, Sneha Suthar, class 6th B. Sneha Suthar, class 6th B.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sneha Sudha. Today I am presenting a solo dance. Thank you, ma'am.
ब्यूटीफुल हम लोग एक रूम में बैठ के पूरा राजस्थान घूमने वाले हैं. वेरी नाइस. And I request everyone to please sit and watch other children. उनके साथ में डांस नहीं करना है अक्षया. Okay. Next participant, participant number 5, Ishita Maratha, class 6th B. And turn on your cameras, everyone. Turn on your cameras, everyone. Ishita Maratha, class 6th B. I think Ishita is not there. We'll call upon next one, participant number 6, Sonakshi Sharma, class 6th B.
My name is Sonakshi Sharma. I study in class 6B. I used to dance this 21. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sonakshi. Once again, I'll request all the children to please adjust their cameras so that we can view your full performance. Okay? And please turn on your cameras. Our next participant, participant number 7, Ahana Verma, class 6th A. Ahana Verma.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, Ahana, you can start.
नमस्कार
आसमां को ये जरूरी जा मिले जा मिले इश्क सच्चा जिसको मिलती नहीं मंजिलें मंजिलें रंग थे नूर जब तेरी वजूद एक जन्नत सजा ये जहां वक्त की रेत पे कुछ मेरे नाम से लिख के छोड़ गया तू कहाँ
Okay. Thank you so much, Ahana. Beautiful song and beautiful dancing.
Thank you, ma'am.
See, children, so many times I told you all, keep your phone in landscape mode. अपने फोन को लैंडस्केप मोड में रखो so that we can see you all properly. Okay. And please turn on your cameras, everyone. Turn on your cameras first, everyone. Please, children, turn on your cameras. Next participant, participant number 8, Namya Bairagi, class 6th B. Keep your phone in landscape mode and start. I think Namya is not there. Next participant, participant number 9, Khushi Malik, class 6th B. Khushi Malik. Children, keep your phone in landscape mode. Khushi Malik is also not there. 10th participant, Vaishnavi Dikshit. She is also, I think, not there. Class 6th A. Participant number 11, Kinjal Patil. Kinjal Patil, class 6th A. Kinjal is also not there. Satyajit Meena, I think he was there in the beginning. सत्यजीत मीना और इशिता मराठा. नाम्या, खुशी, वैष्णवी, किंजल. Okay, so okay, with this we come to end of the competition with class 6. Thank you so much, everyone.